Good morning, and I am Dr. Subhan Supade, Assistant Professor EEE in Sambalpur University Institute of Information Technology. In the first video, in the previous video, we have discussed the R triggering circuit of SCR, and today we are going to discuss the RC triggering circuit of SCR. So, here, this is the basic circuit of a RC triggering circuit. This is basically a half-wave trigger circuit. You have a SCR, you have a potentiometer, you have a capacitor, and you have a load. And you have obviously two diodes D1 as well as D2. Now, whatever it is there, the RC should be greater than equal to 1.3 T by 2, where T is the time period. Now let's see. We'll try to do the circuit using Multisim and see whether this circuit works and what will be the waveforms look like. So this is basically the circuit. Now let's grab the multisim and try to do it. And I have drawn this particular circuit for you. 120 volt RMS, 10 kilo ohm, 10 microfarad, 1 and 4148, 2 1 and 4148, and 215 and they say 120 volt 100-watt load, a bulb load over here because this is AC. And let's run this particular thing, and you can see the bulb is flickering over here, and as you change the potentiometer it is also flickering. Let's see the output, and here you can see the thyristor output. Now before going to thyristor output, let's check whether our uh, supply voltage, what is the supply voltage, and let's see our supply voltage over here, our thyristor voltage over here, and our capacitor voltage over here. Now three channels, and here it comes the supply voltage, the thyristor voltage, as well as the capacitor voltage. This is the basic RC triggering circuit for SCR, and they are not specifically used nowadays because of limitations of that R will change with respect to temperature, and because RT equal to R0 into 1 plus alpha T, and there are many such limitations of this kind of circuits, so these are not specifically used. But for a fundamental understanding of a triggering of SCR, you can do this simple R and RC circuit, and as you change the duty cycle, it is going to also change at a certain interval. And this is the supply voltage, the thyristor voltage, as well as the capacitor voltage. Thank you.